Is Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Cream a legit anti-aging hero or just another overhyped product? I've been using it for a few weeks, and here's what I found. The formula is lightweight and absorbs quickly, leaving skin feeling hydrated without being greasy. It combines retinol with niacinamide and peptides, which work overnight to improve skin texture, reduce fine lines, and even out skin tone. Many users report smoother, brighter skin within a few weeks of consistent use. However, some people with sensitive skin have experienced mild irritation, redness, or a greasy feeling. If you're new to retinol, it's best to start slowly and patch test first. For under $30, it's a solid, affordable option for those looking to add retinol to their routine. So, is it a scam? Definitely not. But like any skincare product, it may not be for everyone. Want more honest skincare reviews? Hit like and follow for the next one.